Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a funk on Bandlab. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Bandlab and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, you're going to find your profile. Here you're going to find your projects. You can view all of the projects by clicking on view all. Right here, you're going to find the shows. And here, you're going to find sections like feed, explore, services, and library. Right here, you're going to find your profile picture. If you click on it, you can view your profile. Here, you're going to find projects, albums, playlists, bands, communities, liked posts, liked albums, and so on. Right here, you're going to find settings and also the option to log out. For example, I'm going to click on create and right here you're going to find new project and also song starter. So new project is for creating an empty project and song starter to generate an idea with AI. So for example, I'm going to click on new project to start an empty project. Then just wait for it to load. And once it has finished loading, you're going to be right here. So right here, you're going to find voice and audio, instrument, drum machine, sampler, guitar, and bass. You can also quit like this, and you can drop a loop or an audio MIDI video file right here. If you click right here, you can choose any file from your computer to add. And right here in the bottom, you're going to find lyrics and notes, Bandlab sounds, MIDI mappings. And right here, you're going to find chat. For example, I'm going to add some sounds from a Bandlab sounds. For example, from here, all we need to do, guys, is drag the sounds like this. So, for example, I'm going to add them in this order, like this. And right now, if you want to add effects, for example, to any of those sounds, for example, this one, just click on it and then go right here to the bottom. You're going to find auto pitch, effects, and editors. Click on effects and then click on add effects and choose any effect that you want. For example, I'm going to add this one and you can increase or decrease the feedback. And once you finish everything, you can go right here to save your project by clicking on save or publish. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.